Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to send money to the Philippines using Remitly. It's an easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to log into your Remitly account. And once you create your account, you will end up at the home page. So this is the home page which I am looking at right now. And at the top left corner, make sure to change your flag to Philippines. You can even search it. And once you search it, just click on this. After that, at the bottom, you will see the send button. Just click on that. Here you are going to enter the amount you want to send. And obviously you can see the conversion also. So let's say I want to transfer 10 USD. And after that, you need to click on delivery method and make sure to click on mobile. Once you click on mobile, you will see at the bottom GCash, Maya, Shopee and more. So make sure to select mobile money and after that click on select. Here we have the second thing which is payment method. Just click on this option. Go for any one of them. Right now I'm going with the debit card and click on select. So as you can see over here, if you go with the 3 to 6 days would take on bank account and Apple Pay would take 50 minutes. But with credit card and debit card, it would be instant. So I'm going with the debit card, click on select, click on continue. And here we have those options over here. So at the top, you can see we have GCash. Click on that option. After that, you need to enter the name of recipient. After that, they will ask you for recipient phone number, which I'm going to enter that over here. Once you enter the phone number, click on continue. So this is where we are going to enter our details over here. So I'm going to enter those over here. Once you enter that, you need to enter your address also. So I'm going to enter those all over here. Now we are going to enter our phone number as well. After that, they will ask you to select payment method again if you haven't added a card for yourself. So here we are going to enter the card numbers. If you click on this option, you can see we need to enter all those information over here. And after that, you just need to click on next. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to transfer or send money to Philippines using Remitly to GCash. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.